So, the Galaxy S26 Ultra leaks? Yeah, they've officially started and they're coming in fast. We're talking huge camera upgrades, a shocking new design twist, and display tech no other flagship is using right now. Let's break down 8 of the biggest Galaxy S26 Ultra leaks you need to know about. Let's get into it. First up, cameras. The S26 Ultra will keep Samsung's 200-megapixel ISO HP2 sensor from last year, but with a major twist. It's getting a larger aperture for better low-light shots. And it's not just the main lens. The 50-megapixel 5x zoom lens is also getting a wider aperture, improving detail and brightness even in tough conditions. Second, the forgotten lens finally gets love. The 3x zoom camera, which Samsung has left untouched for years, is finally getting an upgrade. We don't have the full sensor details yet, but expect a big jump in sharpness and clarity. Third, design. This is where it gets crazy. Samsung is making the Ultra significantly thinner, around 7.8 to 7.9 millimeters, down from 8.5 millimeters on the S25 Ultra. And yes, it will still have the S Pen inside. How they're doing that, no one knows, but it's happening. Fourth, lighter but bigger. Despite packing the same 5,000 mAh battery and faster 60-watt charging, the S26 Ultra will be lighter than the S25 Ultra. Height and width may increase slightly for better balance in hand. Fifth, the display. The S26 Ultra will use third-generation anti-reflective glass, even better than before. This tech basically kills reflections outdoors, making colors pop and blacks look deeper. It's also getting a new polarizer technology to make viewing angles even cleaner. Still a 6.9-inch panel, but now even more premium. Sixth, performance. Under the hood, we're looking at the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 for Galaxy. CPU speeds will hit 4.74 GHz, almost 5 GHz in a phone. GPU clocks at 1.3 GHz for monster gaming performance. RAM will be next-gen, optimized for on-device AI features. Seventh, software. The S26 Ultra will launch with One UI 8.5. Historically, Samsung's 0.5 updates bring big changes, and this one's expected to add new AI tools, possibly even AI video generation, alongside improvements to Galaxy AI. Eighth, the bump. Because it's so thin and those lenses are larger, expect a noticeable camera bump. Possibly the biggest yet on a Galaxy Ultra. Think fold 7 levels of wobble when on a flat surface. So that's 8 of the biggest leaks for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. From massive camera upgrades to a shockingly thin design and one of the most advanced displays in the world, Samsung's next Ultra is shaping up to be wild. Which of these leaks are you most hyped for? Let me know in the comments. Catch you in the next one.